Students, let's continue computer storage or computer memory. You have learned about computer memory, primary memory and secondary memory in the previous class. In the previous week, you have learned about primary memory, its classification completely and briefly. By this week, in the previous class, you learned about secondary memory. You learned about its first type, that is magnetic disk, includes hard disk drive. Today your learning objectives are DVD, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, etc. But before going towards our today's learning objectives, I would like to recap the previous lecture and I would like to start from the beginning. Students, computer storage or computer memory is the storage or spaces inside your computer or inside of any storage unit that is used to be processed by the computer. Computer storage or computer memory is the spaces or storage used to store data, information and instructions that is going to be processed by the CPU or that is going to be transferred or moved to another computer or that is going to be saved for the later use. Then computer memory is classified as primary and secondary memory. Primary memory is the one that has direct access to the processor. Primary memory is also called as the internal memory. Primary memory primary memory is classified as cache and main memory. Primary memory is closer to the CPU. Then cache memory is the small and fastest type of memory. It is the memory that acts as a buffer between the main memory and the CPU. It stores data and it stores the data that is going to be processed by the CPU frequently. Dear students, then main memory includes RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. You have learned about both of them and the difference of these two you have learned in the previous week. This was the revision of your previous week lecture. Now I will go with the revision of your this week first class revision. Students, secondary storage helps us to store data not only on our computer but also on external devices in order to move it to another computer. Then you learned about magnetic storage, magnetic disk, that the part of magnetic disk, that is hard disk drives. Student, you learned about hard disk drive, that it is the main storage device of a computer. It can hold data up to a few terabytes and can store thousands of movies, songs, and millions of documents. Students, you learned about hard disk drive, that it is very fast and it is used to transfer data. Then you learned that it can be classified or it is classified as internal hard disk drive and external hard disk drive. Students, you learned that internal hard disk drives are installed inside of your computer and external hard disk drives are portable. You can take it anywhere with yourself or anytime you can connect it to your computer. Now the next type is CD, that is compact disc. But before going towards that, I want to have revision of this storage capacity as well. In the previous class you learned about this, but still if anyone has any confusion, now listen carefully. Student, this is the chart of memory capacity conversion. Storage or memory capacity measures how data a computer system may contain. Students, see, we measure storage capacity in bits or bytes. What is byte? Bits or bytes are like liters for liquid, for water or for milk, for any liquid. For the measuring of any liquid you use liter, but for measuring of data or information you use bit and byte. Students see storage capacity and reading writing speed are the main characteristics of any storage device. So there you can see bits, bytes, KBs, MBs, GBs, TBs, PBs, EBs, ZBs and YBs. YB is the biggest storage unit of information. Student, bit is the basic unit of information, the smallest unit of information. Then you know that 8 bits equals to 1 byte. Byte is greater than bit. Then kilobyte is greater than bytes. Megabyte is greater than kilobyte. Gigabyte is greater than megabyte. Terabyte is greater than gigabyte. Petabyte is greater than terabyte. Exabyte is greater than petabyte. Zettabyte is greater than exabyte and yottabyte is greater than zettabyte. Then students, 1024 bytes equals to 1 KB. 1024 KB equals to 1 MB. 1024 MB equals to 1 GB. In the same way, it moves ahead. And 1024 ZB zettabyte equals to 1 yottabyte only. Okay. I think now the memory capacity conversion chart is clear to you. Compact disk. Students, CD, the next storage device is the next secondary storage device is CD. CD stands for compact disk. RW, rewritable. Rewritable means that you can read and write both in this storage device, that is called CD. Students, CD stands for compact disc, a disc that appeared in the 1980s. If we compare these with the generations of computer, the third generation of computer started from 1972. So we can say that it appeared in the third generation of computer. The CD became very popular because it's not expensive and it can hold about 700 MBs of data and it has little possibility of data loss. Students, the chances of data loss is very less and the storage capacity of CD is 700 MBs and it became very popular. It appeared in 1980s. It's the full form of CD is compact disc and it is rewritable. Okay. Before CDs, data was stored on magnetic storage devices like floppy disk. There was one more storage devices, magnetic storage devices used in the past that was called floppy disk drive. The problem was that when you put them near a strong electromagnetic source like a cell phone or speaker, you could lose all your data. Now this does not happen with CDs because they are not stored magnetically. It was happened with the floppy disk, that when you put the floppy disk with any electromagnetic device, for example you put with any mobile phone or with any speaker, then the data that was stored in the floppy disk, it could be lost, all the data, because the data was stored in the floppy disk drive magnetically. But now in the CD it's not like this. That was the drawback of the floppy disk drive, and it is a good point of the CD that it does not lost the data if you put it with the mobile phone or with any electromagnetic source. Now the next one is digital versatile disk. It is also RW, rewritable drive. Digital versatile disk rewritable drive stands for digital versatile disk, and it's the evolution of the compact disk. The evolution of the CD is DVD. More data can be stored as compared to the CD. DVD has more storage spaces as compared to CD. Both sides of this disk can be stored. Students, it want to say like this, that both sides of the disk has the ability to store data. So here will be more storage space. Each side can also have two layers of data. DVDs use a dual layer technology that allows the disk recorder to write data from the outside to the inside for the second layer. Students, it wants to say like this, that DVD is also a secondary storage disk. Yes, optical disk. It is a kind of optical disk, but it stores data in both sides, not only in one side, in both sides it store data. And one more thing is here, that each side will store data in double layer. It means there will be data stored in double layer in both sides. Each side can have the ability to store data, then each side has the ability to store data in double layer, and the second layer will be stored. The second layer is possible due to the dual layer technology. Then the storage capacity of a simple DVD start at 4.7 GB and can reach up to 17 GB for a two-side dual layer disk. It starts storing of data. It has the storage capacity. It starts from 4.7 till 17 GB. It can store data because it stores data in double layer in both sides. It is also called as dual layer disk, and it stores data from 4.7 till 17 GBs. Now see, one more is here. One more disk is here. You can see its physical shape. It is its rays are of blue color. That's why it is called Blu-ray drive. Students, Blu-ray disc drive is the evolution of the, you can tell this BRD as well. BRD. BRD is the evolution of the DVD. More data can be stored than a DVD, and the surface of the disk is more scratch resistant. See students, DVD was the evolution of CD, and DVD stored more data as compared to CD. Here, Blu-ray disc is the evolution of the DVD, and it can store data more as compared to the DVD, and it is more scratch resistant. It will not be scratched. Students, in the CD or DVD, it happens sometimes that you put in anywhere, after sometimes when you take it out, you want to use that, you see that there is a scratch, but it is scratch resistant. A Blu-ray disc can hold up to 50 GBs of data. Students, the DVD used to store data till 17 GBs. Here it stores data 50 GBs. It means it has greater storage capacity than the CD and DVD. Even it has 70 times more than a CD storage capacity. Answer the questions for these device. Full name is CD, compact disc. What it is? What is its storage capacity? Its storage capacity is about 1700 MB. Before CD data was stored in what? Before CD data was stored in floppy disk drive, magnetic disk. Yes. Then its full name, digital versatile disk, rewritable. This was also rewritable. Compact disc, rewritable. DVD is also rewritable. Digital versatile disk, rewritable. What is its storage capacity? It can hold up to mm, it can hold data from 4.7 GB to 17 GBs. It's the evolution of what? It's the evolution of CD, compact disc. Its full name, Blu-ray disc. Yes, BRD stands for Blu-ray disc. Then what is its storage capacity? Its storage capacity is about 50 GBs, 50. It's evolution of what? It's evolution of DVD.